Let's make spam musubi. Spam, Nori, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar. Sugar, soy sauce, mix, oyster sauce. Mix, 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 mix. Marinate our spam. After 15 minutes, time to fry. Just a little bit of olive oil. And start frying. Light heat. Just mix all in. Just start mixing it together. Nori, fold into thirds. You can use this as your molder, or you can use like a container like this. Just mold it. Now add your spam. Spam. A little bit of the sauce. This is just optional. The furikake. Close. Mold it. Flip. Spam musubi with furikake. If you like this recipe and video, please like and share and follow me for more. Thank you. Bye. Spam musubi. Let's make spam musubi. Spam, Nori, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar. Mix together. Okay, close. Sugar, soy sauce, mix, oyster sauce. Mix, 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 mix together. No, post muna. After 15 minutes, time to fry. Just a little bit of olive oil. And start frying. Light heat. Just low to medium heat. everything go all brown. Perfect. Just mix all in. Just start mixing it together. Nori. Simmer for 2 minutes and you are done. You can you can use this as your molder, or you can use like a container like this. Time to assemble. Fold into thirds. Cut. Time to assemble. Lower sheet. Put in your molder. You can put as much rice or as much less Japanese rice if you want. So I'm just gonna put something in there. Just be gentle, not to break your Nori sheet. Add your spam. Just like so. A little bit of the sauce. Closed it. Okay. And there you go. Ganito ka na. Tatalisin ko siya dito. Just mold it. Now add your spam. Post. And there you go. Spam musubi. Alright, this is post. Spam. A little bit of the sauce. This is just optional. The furikake. Close. Hold it. Flip. Spam musubi with furikake. If you don't have a molder, you can also use the can. I put the plastic wrap, seaweed, Japanese rice, close. And here you go. Your spam musubi. Enjoy. I'll put the recipe down in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye. If you like this recipe and video, please like and share and follow me for more. Thank you. Bye. Spam musubi.